Doge is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Doge, we are still testing the exponential moving averages. And in yesterday's video, I pointed out the fact that as long as Doge can hold above these EMAs as support, we do have a bullish case scenario. As of right now, we did get a very clean break of these levels, of course, and now we are using them as resistance. It is a little too early to say because of the fact that we are hugging these very, very closely. And you guys know when I mentioned the fact that when we start hugging the EMAs, that usually means that this is a no trade zone or a consolidation zone, in other words. As of right now, though, from a bullish case scenario, Doge will have to break above the 0.11, find it as support for that continuation. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see, of course, the fact that that 0.11 level acts as a very strong support level from previous price analysis. So this will be acting as a very strong resistance level as well. We have to also keep in mind the fact that we have already tested this level twice. So this would become the third test opportunity if Doge did manage to break above this level. You guys already know from my previous analysis videos that if we have a third test on any sort of pair, that tends to be a massive breakout. We have to keep in mind, of course, the fact that if we do see a nice break above, not only will we be retesting that resistance a third time, but we will also be using the exponential moving averages as support as well. Of course, this theory would be invalidated if we did get a clean break below this level right here at 0.095. The reason for that, of course, is you guys can see that this acted as a decent support level in the midterm, and then we would possibly be retesting our major support level here at 0.08. I did want to talk about a few things, though, from yesterday's video as well, is the fact that you can see that I mentioned the fact that the 0.08 level acted as a very strong resistance point, but we have only seen one test opportunity. We have to keep in mind that, of course, in order for us to say this is a confirmed breakout moveset, we would have to retest that support level for that continuation. When we have a nice moveset like this from all the way down here at 0.07, you can see that we tested that level 3 times, right? We had the first test over here, second test, third test, and technically speaking, we had another test back here previously before that massive breakout. That was a strong support zone. Right now, we would like to see the same thing at that 0.08 level as well, of course, for Doge, where we actually have a second and third test for that continuation in order for us to take that long position. The reason why I'm telling you guys this is because of the fact that, of course, if we do enter a position here at these midterm levels, we could be expecting a larger pullback opportunity. And of course, it's going to be a lot better to enter on the pullback to the downside than entering in a midterm move up to towards the upside. In terms of the hourly time frames, we do have a very strong bar formation as well still playing out. I'll go ahead and delete these circles for you guys so you can kind of see what I'm saying. When the moveset pretty much started, you can see that we did have a beautiful bar formation here, but then again, right now we have a very nice bar formation on the hourly as well. So the take profit should be around that 0.08 level as well. In terms of the hourly, though, we are starting to see more and more bearish engulfing candles kind of form, and of course the fact that we are now using these levels as resistance. You can see we are seeing more and more ways to the upside. Before, we were using a beautiful level of support. Now we're using that same level as resistance. In terms of the daily time frames, you can see that Doge is still pretty much in that beautiful move set using these exponential moving averages as support. So there still is a bullish theory. Of course, the fact that if we do get a strong break above that 0.11, we definitely will be looking for that take profit level around this here level at 0.12. The reason why we have to keep in mind, of course, the daily time frames is, as you guys know, I've taught you guys this many times, when you are trading with lower time frames, for example the hourly, things tend to be a lot more manipulated. The 4-hour and the daily give you a better analysis point on exactly where to look for those entries, and right now the daily is in a uptrend. The reason why, of course, is we are using that level as support. You can see with some strong bullish engulfing candles for that continuation. Any break below these exponential moving averages would invalidate that theory, of course, and then we can start looking for those shorting positions once again. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.